Hi, and welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to unbox the ORECK commercial 20-volt sling vac. Okay, let's get inside the box. Get this tape cut. And the first thing we have is the user manual and one of the tubes. Let's see, it's going to be best if we try. And that looks like the battery pack. And there's another hose and the sling and an attachment. And in here we have the rest. The main vac. And that is the battery charger. And some more attachments. And I think there's something under here yet. Yep, and we have a mop. So let's get some of these out of the bag and put it together. So here's the main body of the unit. And the sling. I think this is going to be easier if I cut. That sling is definitely heavy duty. And I think it might be comfortable too. Kind of squishy. Now let's see if we can just, there we go. Got that. And this simply attaches in the front. Oops, I have that on the wrong side. There we go. And in the back. Okay, that's together. Let's see, here's the battery charger. No need to set that up. We'll just set that to the side here. And we have a hose. And that should attach in the front here. Simply clicks right in place. And we might as well put the extender on it. And that just slips on. I was looking for a button for it to click, but no. And then this knob, you press away. You can make it as long or as short as you need it. Now, some of the attachments. Here is a mop attachment. So I guess that would be good for dusting. And it looks like the dust can come here and then be sucked up. And here is a teeny tiny brush. Of course, your nook and cranny attachment. We saw that before. Oh, I've never seen it with a little, I don't know, what do you call that, a gouge out on the side? I wonder what the reasoning is for that. I've never seen that before. Must have had a reason or they wouldn't have done it. And then here is a wider brush that can be used. That would probably be good for stairs. And then here is your big attachment for the main floors. And what do we have here? Oh, it looks like with these switches up here, the one I just pressed on extends the brush down And then if I press on the opposite one, then the brushes come up. So we'll attach that on just to put an attachment on. And that simply slides in place. It doesn't have any button that clicks in place, it just slides and stays. So let's look at this battery pack. As you can see, it's a 20-volt battery pack. Let's see. Some of these battery packs have a button or something you can push to see if it's, ooh, right there it is. At the bottom, this red one, if you press, then you can see it's fully charged because all the blue lights come on. Okay, to install this battery pack, there's a place that it goes, and this red part is the locking mechanism. You just put that up, simply drop the unit in. This part has to be in the top, and it's going to, let me tilt this up so you guys can see. You see this right here? Those have to come into here. So what you do is you just drop the battery pack down and then push it until it clicks. To take the battery pack off, you simply push this down and then it comes off. So, cool. Shall we try it out? In order to dump the machine, I think I'd recommend to first disengage the hose, and all you do is push this button on the top. And then on the bottom, this is the dirt container. All you're going to do is you're going to press this button, and I'm going to get a little closer to the garbage can because it looks like it's pretty full. And that just pops up, and you can just shake it out and assist the stuff that won't come out. There we go. And then you just click it closed and you're ready to go again. Now, every once in a while, what you should do is you should clean the filter, and that's pretty easy too. You need to come to the side and press this button, and then this whole container will come out. And then here on the back is the filter, and that simply pops off. Wash this under warm water. You'd wash this part too, and then simply pop it back in place. And then this part needs to line up inside the machine. It goes right in here. And it clicks in place and you're ready to go. Now, I use this machine on hardwood floors, and that worked really well. On the carpet, not so much. Can't say that I'm impressed there, but I do think that I got it backwards when I was talking about the flat attachment. When the brush is up, that's for the hardwood floors. When the brush is retracted, that's for the carpet. What I liked most about this machine is using it on the stairs. It's very light, and I could get into all the corners of the stairs, and most of the dirt you just saw me dump was from our cellar stairs. So, way to go, ORECK on stairs. Thank you for joining me today in the unboxing of the ORECK Commercial 20-volt Sling Vac. Be healthy and keep on cooking. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell.